naam thili tum pongtung bangla hello labangso a school lo enrollment ka chapulong dun thek je process ko son nilitum lang lo ilitum non hajong INC pen paklang bon son tak taksi 67% reserved for the state lake state hansi ke jong Assam as a whole hansi ke jong pon pulotang te ilitum da ke non ke e methang state ke calendar lang apojo hala 67% long mangali tum ke state quota 5% si dudun chot pakadi pulotang te dak pan ke itu in student enrollment mangke jum dun he khangyang po lapen ilitum pine alumni itum da do we must congratulate them that crowd long audience long mata do ilitum ke langning by gopiloma it start from class 6 recruitment process ke change class 6 pe what about from class KG to class 5 hala tum kuna loga charlie itum lang den nang lang pinarle itum Rajiv sir alang le da class 6 men enroll do la so frank kuna school pen ke charlie long alang le hala so school along Mason education ke endun persilang enrollment ke long dun and he is very lucky enough after enrollment his parents is able to pay the required admission amount in case of Sir Rajiv. Mr. Rangshina Hanse, where did he study before class 6? Class 6 apang alang li kuso school lo Charlie. Litum la lang nang la. Alang li hada ki Mason ke Charlie long aposi Sainik school lo admission ke long dun. Luckily he is a son of one of the minister cabinet. He is able to pay the admission fee. Amar alang ki long dun that to enroll in that. Mr. Ibon Teron, who studied in St. Peter Silong from his basic studies from KG to or whatever from class 1 to class 5. He is one of the reputed school in Meghalaya. After that only he got to enroll in Sainik school. Di kala so pranke alang yung si kapreng school pen enroll dong sumkrungji. Luckily he is one of the officers son. Alang thigi pi phan dorkar adela. Think about the people from Tarapung. Tarapung lo si inu the farmer also wrong si school ke Charlie lo Sainik school admission tok don lo tax sera join ne du box ta long long lo will the farmer able to pay the fee of the school that the criteria has been made for la sini tum kipu kan tum la sini tum pong tum bang la hen lo je ili tum phan autonomous state long le de lang posi li tum methang a reservation 67% long ma jum ke chi jok tum ke la ke long dun de ma sini tum matha pon ili tum neighboring state like Meghalaya Nagaland Mizoram Arunachal hala tum bangke 67% da lake tribal tum da general long admission long dunar kali made sita il tum da ke long de daji 5% long sil tum ke chiki duni there is also all over India ST reserve la sinil tum ka phere bangka enrollment long si ni tum ka phere thilu lal thank you lage Sainik school tinggal dan nelo non existing school do anle ili tum la bangso farm and camp da joga lo kali made Sainik school itu wan lo de that student ko amlo accommodate unko number 1 67% that's cabinet for state quota long ili tum ka chuthi dun ja ja ko ngabela people autonomous state long le dela itu myo se autonomous state long at lo bulo tang te 67 along 50% itu ka chuhang no na ja kong dui tapi itu long le la la penili tu kar biang long ara tu Sainik school ke hang le ka chutu from ali autonomous state ke hang si chutu from la penang PG putra Rajnath Singh prime minister kan ke dekat pilih pola la dasaman claim no tuhan la pe la bangso school council to investment defense minister to investment leke bangali la ke itu credit pini so pro ka so mutu ile kaman ko to fika chuhan a school one that pen so from to masuma ko so da ke enroll in janja ko ka dei jilan so no eviction ka tumpan ko so no to na to asuma to ke enroll in landless ala to kan pila to asuma ran enroll in lain lo ke di ko ma thani ke la si 335 crores tang ka jong si ingko ra tro homo still kuti hini bangla school upgradation penchenglo quality phanle kuti hini homo city ni onata ile dong dak ji khudesi aku ji ki pian tangka binai ke faculty wani ke to Rajiv sir ko loga dak lo abi NCTE budi National Kopine Atlet Sepas nih budi halah si Tuhan yang tanu nih budi dah lo itu tanu bawi Rajiv Sara Than qualified budi Hansina Sara qualified di daerah lang itu lah tanu aja kau wi bangsa terus nih wajib belum tangde atangka ibu dunia ini tunggu budi di Fula itu center yang pun dah think about Tarapur student think about West Caribbean Long Hamlet constituency, interior Kopli constituency, arta non ingkan proxy nerket lo, non tak kijiwana school ki dunia thai bela, recently media lo tu thekno. Kalau kata arta kalau ingkan craze, ingkan cap and craze yang konglote itu, la 6 enroll na po 8 factor ke. Ati ma NDA to dunia lo kan deh, ingkan ingkoi raisi a burning, para exam itu dunia panta. That is also for entrance exam. Arta la pernah bisik itu orang toklu somni. Lasi ini tuh proud feel yang aja sainik school dulu belum tangte itu secure tuh itu mah tangan nih job guarantee lo itu mah tangan nih alang li amen and ke pangkas miti bu gol pora student kali mah kala pilihan dia lang pak sakuri council masih kemudian lah if he is married alang state sakuri selong guna bukan people in the council kali kemudian nak these are the factors lasi nili buntung bang lalu itu autonomous state long letter like BJP cannot deny, Congress cannot deny, ASDC cannot deny. Alang itu hang dependent posi long letter lo, lapen la long letter posi pini itu like pini ke 5% state long itu kana bisi coba bungkok coba. Lain. So hill area panle nang pidet kita ilum dapen le nang pidet bote la bangkel ilum cedon dulu. Kita non son sili tumhan hala cement factory long son West Caribbean long pi hydro power son lapen haum rongsun nepko long son ili tumhan recruitment doji po menpen nongan ta inu ta long de bangkel asong nang cupai ja nang cupai no lapen rat tum nang kroi krel lahen
li ki panu la lo pidige discussion lo di biso da philo lo including the senior school mainly la si senior school ko almost consensus ho se thelong implement bonus si ajolong lo mo de ka than alam klang lo ground preparation da bendu bomno polam dolo sami lahaya condition itu bang langsung si clear nang la authority in betame concerned department betame la sabang clear wate milan su se bepo la pe kiri kachidi ka duga la lahaya condition la itame raksi klang ko lalu de tuhan affected by tu by arana khan da kerap dui bai ma da tabe klang dak ko la sabang nili kachidi kang pang chidi prabji ba pang dak si bang si kang tunglo la pe ke nili so la ba alam the mention itu magalalo itu bukan ada asitir percentage sampai lowest percentage high secondary exam result pun ada metric pun lasi la existing school tapi pada belum jangan kupilong recently itu ke Oktober of tamen itu party itu tamen memang ada pilot education minister apaan badly needed school right from MD school to up to colleges these schools should colleges should be provincialized from this academic session langsung jadi pudam ala commitment pilo tamen lo pudah bila sebutak alam thelong lelang daksia bakai pada itu lo pidamik lo lahai pada itu important biji nangi athima no study school suppose enrollment pilo yearly enrollment suppose 40% silong pudah biya hardly suppose 40 students will enroll for this study school this a batch along with batara if we hazar enroll udah beti tapi thousands of students enrollment hal hai tu itu langko nahi mati one school ne dara pada develop podaji unila provincialized le kapre condition bakla pen kasilai bang tame istilah step den podaji pusili othur tu pinia discussion me othur dia pada be laswang tuneri pon namitung lasi like